Welcome to MetaMask versus Exodus. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to the products are in the description below. Both MetaMask and Exodus are popular crypto wallets that cater to different user needs. So deciding which one is better depends on your specific preferences and requirements. MetaMask is primarily known as a browser extension and mobile app that focuses on Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. It's widely used for interacting with decentralized applications, dApps, and decentralized finance, DeFi platforms. One of MetaMask's standout features is its ability to seamlessly integrate with Ethereum-based dApps, making it a top choice for users who want to engage with the decentralized web. It also allows for multiple wallet support, so you can manage different Ethereum addresses in one place. MetaMask is best for active users involved in DeFi, NFTs, and Ethereum-based tokens. On the other hand, Exodus is a multi-currency wallet that supports a wide range of coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. It's available as both a desktop and mobile app, offering a sleek, user-friendly interface. Exodus stands out for its built-in exchange feature, allowing you to swap between cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet. The wallet also integrates with Trezor hardware wallets, adding an extra layer of security for users who need it. Exodus is ideal for users looking for a multi-asset wallet with an easy-to-use interface, suitable for both beginners and experienced crypto holders. When it comes to security, MetaMask is non-custodial, meaning you control your private keys, while Exodus also offers this feature along with backup options, including seed phrases for recovery. However, MetaMask's heavy focus on Ethereum and DeFi makes it slightly more tailored for those ecosystems, while Exodus shines with its user-friendly design and coin variety. In conclusion, if you're mainly dealing with Ethereum and DeFi, MetaMask is the clear winner. But if you prefer a multi-asset wallet with built-in exchange capabilities, Exodus is the better choice. Check the links in the description for more information.